This is Kunal. Kunal started editing with us 2 years ago. Trust me, people don't last that long. Kunal has been here when we were barely 13,000 subscribers till now 100,000 subscribers. Kunal never asks for anything more. So today we are doing something he never expected.
पार्टी करके आया है कल? Let's go. लेकिन कहाँ भाई?
Bro, we have a lot of work to do. We need to meet clients. We have to also catch lunch. We also have to gift our editor, and we also have to do couple of other shit as well. Let's go go-karting, bro.
Go-karting?
Let's just fucking go to go-karting.
चलो कपड़े बदल लेते हैं. भाई मुझे धो दिया भाई. ये थोड़ा सा
ये लिफ्ट कौन दबाएगा भाई? तो दबा मत.
अबे तो स्कूटी लेना है कि गाड़ी लेना है?
भाई गाड़ी से चलते हैं भाई.
गाड़ी चाहिए तुमको. मेहमान हो तुम हमारे हैं. कार इट इज. लेट्स गो भाई. जिंदगी में ही चलना मेरा भाई. बाकी कुछ भी नहीं आता. Where are we going?
We're going to this coffee place called Cafe Noir.
You know where we stay actually, Indianagar has a lot of good cafe places, lot of good date places I would say. So heavier traffic to hoga because we are on a weekend.
Now, this is not just about Kunal. It's also about me giving back to the company, to my people, and the men behind this channel that make everything possible.
So how are you feeling today, Vishesh? How's the mood? How's the josh?
काम करते हैं bros. काम करते हैं.
काम तो कर ही रहे भाई. We wanna first go have some food, then buy a MacBook for our editor because honestly Kunal has been there since the inception and he has to be here forever. So time to bribe him a little bit. Bhai, he has been editing in his crappy Windows laptop while he's traveling, also managing a job. So bhai, I'm just trying to be, have a big heart. यहाँ से. So I just got a call from my CA. There is some invoicing error in one of the GST filing. I'm just out. There's no network. I don't know how will I be able to solve this. Thing is that I had a talk with my manager if I am actually trying to build this product. First, he asked me to solve the business problem.
I've never understood the idea of working from cafes. Like, I need my 2-screen and my setup for working to my full efficiency. And like, full respect to those who do this and that too well. But I just can't. Obviously, today is a little special because we have a ton of shit to do. And most importantly, Kunal's Mac awaits.
It's a GCC concept. Global Capability Center. क्यों हुआ ये?
Apple retail, let's go. See, that's the benefit of staying in Indiranagar. Every place you wanna go, it's so close.
Let's get Kunal a new Mac finally.
Deserving, huh? Very deserving.
अगर अब timely videos नहीं आए हैं Kunal, but bro, you deserve it, bro. Yeah, for us, is that okay?
Where are you going to post?
YouTube, most likely. No? Okay.
Smoothing करता है क्या? Software or is it hardware?
Apple does both.
Bye, so we got it. We got it for Kunal. Just did it for you, Kunal, because I need videos on time.
Finally, I did it. I gave back pretty materialistically, more than what I usually do for Kunal. Kunal, the guy who never gave up on SFD, always delivered on time and also understood the importance of business well. It was inevitable that at 100k, I would give Kunal what really helps him. So, to editors who stay, to founders who care, to dreams that get rendered eventually. If you ever worked with a creator who made you better, thank them. And if you are an editor like Kunal, your day will come.
Yeah.
Time for the reveal. So Kunal, we finally got the a MacBook Air with upgraded RAM and storage 24GB 512GB SSD for you and hopefully तुमको ये गिफ्ट काफी पसंद आएगा. बहुत दिल से बहुत टाइम लगा है यहाँ तक पहुंचने में कि मैं किसी को एक MacBook गिफ्ट कर पाऊँ. But I'm really grateful for everyone who's watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm actually waiting for your reaction, Kunal, when you actually receive this at home. Hopefully you would love it. See ya, bye.
Honestly, I don't even know what to say right now. Like, I'm still processing this moment. Like, I don't think I really received this Mac. And you know, out of it's been like I have been working the crashing Windows laptop. Like, lot of times it got crashed while doing it. Few times it got missed the deadlines. You really like notice the struggle. I didn't really expected this. I can't say very much. It's a gesture that speaks volumes about the kind of a person you are. Like, big-hearted, observant, supportive. Over these 2 years, like, you have been more than just a creator I have worked with. You have been a true friend. You have taught me so much about growth, career, mindset and all. Thank you for everything from the bottom of my heart. Thanks a lot.